Hello traders! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss free stock market video modules para sa ating mga newbie and average investors. If you do have some questions, I had put a link here in the description below para makapag-comment kayo ng mga gusto ninyong itanong o liwanagin at para ma-discuss natin sa mga susunod na video. So check this video out. Our next question will be coming from our newsletter subscriber, Edmund Ong. Ang tanong niya, trailing stop-loss strategy. Before we go started, gusto kong ipaliwanag sa inyo ang pinagkaiba ng trail stop at stop-loss or tinatawag nating cut-loss. So, ito yon. What is trail stop? Based from Investopedia, ang trail stop daw is a modification of a typical stop that can be set at a defined percentage or dollar amount away from a security's current market price. For a long position, an investor places a trailing stop loss below the current market price. Pero tayo, tinatawag natin para hindi na magulo, trail stop and stop loss or cut loss. So, meron tayong two types of liquidation. Ano ba yung liquidation? It is the process of turning paper gains or losses into hard or permanent gains or losses. So, meron tayong stop loss or cut loss na madalas nating marinig sa iba't ibang mga group. And of course, trail stop. Trail stop versus stop loss. Kaya kung mapapansin mo yung trail stop, naka-green. It means gain. And stop loss, yung loss mismo, hard loss, right? So, trail stop are intended to protect profit. And stop loss are intended to protect your capital. So, now let's move on to the chart para at least makita nyo, ma-visualize ninyo ano ba yung tinutukoy ko. Kunwari, dito kay MM, right? Halimbawa, nag-enter ka. Let's say, halimbawa, ang entry point mo is at this point. Ito kasi yung stock na binili namin, mga students and newsletter participant na nagkaroon sila ng massive gain. Halimbawa, dito ang entry point mo upon breakout dito sa may 3.45 pesos per share. Ang magiging stop loss mo, probably, kung lalagyan mo siya ng ganito para at least makita mo yung risk reward, halimbawa, pwede ang stop loss mo dito, right? Yan, ganyan na magiging stop loss mo just in case. So, meron kang stop loss of around like 7 or 8% kung medyo malalim. Kung ayaw mo namang gawing malalim, kasi kapag ka nag-breakout dito, gusto mo dito bumili, pwede mong higpitan yung magiging stop loss mo. Remember, stop loss is intended to protect your capital. Halimbawa, maglalagay ka ng 100,000 dito and kunwari, dito ka nag-entry, let's say, lagyan natin ng circle para makita mo. Kung dito ka nag-entry, bumagsak kinabukasan, at ayaw mo nang ipagpatuloy yung trade at gusto mo nang kunin yung stop loss mo, around 4% something, so 100,000 minus 4%, ipa-permanent mo na yung 4,000 na losses. Then, again, nag-entry ka dito, hindi mo alam kung tutuloy o hindi. Pero gumawa ka ng stop loss mo. Ganun din, same parameters, 4%. So, nag-invest ka ulit ng 100,000 pero tumuloy-tuloy, right? So, pag tumuloy-tuloy na ganito, hindi mo na pwedeng gamitin yung stop loss mo kasi invalidated na malayo na to. Yung iba, gagamitin pa yon. Ang mangyayari, nag-gain na sila, halimbawa from here, nag-gain na sila ng 72%. Pag ginamit pa nila mismo ulit itong nangyaring calculation ng stop loss, mauubos yung gain. Baka po pwedeng from 72%, hindi nila mabenta, maging 60, 50, 28, tapos hanggang bumalik na sa sa pinaka-initial entry point mo. That's where the trail stop come in. So, ang trail stop, halimbawa, meron ka ng profit, halimbawa, from here to here, meron ka ng 72%. Kung nag-invest ka ng 100,000, approximately, meron ka ng 72,000. So, pwede ka mag-trail stop gamit ang dollar, katulad nung in-explain kanina. Halimbawa, 70,000 na ang gusto mong i-take home, yung 2,000 pwede mong i-risk. As a trail stop, pwede yon. Or, halimbawa, yung current market, pwedeng negative 5% from that one, pwede din yon. Pero madalas ang gamit ko, MA or moving averages. Katulad nito, MA9, MA20, yan yung unang dalawang trail stop ko na tinitingnan. So, kunwari, ito, na-hit na ito, na-breakdown niya MA9, pwede ako mag-trail stop, magbenta ng konti, mag-sell in tranches. Tapos, kapag na-breakdown ulit itong MA20, pwedeng ibenta ko na lahat or pwedeng sell on tranches. Again, trail stop are there to protect your profit. Kunwari, may capital ka ng 72,000, ayaw naman natin na bumalik pa yan hanggang dito, 'di ba? Maging 41,000 o kaya maging kunwari 20,000 na lang. Sayang naman yung gain kung 70,000 ka tapos babalik ka sa 20,000, sayang 50,000 na gain. So yun yung purpose ng trail stop, to protect your profit. And yung purpose naman ng stop loss is to protect your capital. So ganun lang siya kasimple. I hope naging malinaw sa inyo yon at makatulong yun sa inyo. So good night and God bless.